We also do some social media reputation monitoring. We give you identity consultation services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in the event of an identity theft emergency, because you're going to want to talk to somebody at 2 o'clock in the morning if your wallet is stolen. What are your next steps? What do I shut down? But what we do better than anybody else is full service restoration. We have one-on-one consultation to resolve your identity related issue with an unlimited service guarantee. And then we have the nerve to have licensed private investigators that will do whatever it takes for as long as it takes to restore your identity back to pre-theft status. We even provide a $3 million identity fraud protection plan. We also have Trend Micro Security and VPN Proxy One that literally protects your devices from ever evolving malware, infections, and ransomware. So I love my VPN, because when I go into like the Hyatt, or I go into like a hotel or anything like that, if I go into a coffee shop, I can see that my VPN pings up, and that means that it's monitoring my phone. So when I go onto the World Wide Web, it's going to block those sites that may come in that could possibly, damage anything. So I love that I have that security. And then we have a password manager. I don't know about you, but I don't have another password in me. And the password manager is able to block dangerous website. It manages, encrypts passwords. You can save them on your phone. It's absolutely wonderful.